This is the HK-P30L long slide, hammer fired, double action, single action trigger with decocker, external safety, different European style paddle mag release. And this is my John Wick special muzzle device. Tik Tok, Mr. Wick. Tik Tok.